So here I am. I'm at the train station, and all right, guys. So we're gonna take this train from Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon, to Nha Trang, and the train leaves in a couple hours. I've already got the ticket. It was actually 511,000 dong. I'll have to get the conversion for you on that, but I got the sleeper train, which houses 4 people. It's just me though, so that's just in case it's a long train ride. I can sleep, which I'm anticipating a long train ride. So let's do this. Hello.
Em đứng vô trong đi em. Em đứng vô trong nha, ta qua nhé.
Thank you. And so now we're boarding. There's the train, what it looks like on the outside. This should be interesting. I'll bring it up. All right. Yep. Hello. Sleeper train?
Oh, foot 9.
Very front? Okay. See how friendly people are. Always so friendly. Alright. Sorry about my shoes, guys. I am on. There's my ticket.
Kính thưa quý khách đoàn tàu mang số hiệu ST22 thành phố Hồ Chí Minh đi Huế sẽ khởi hành tại ga Sài Gòn lúc 11 giờ 40 phút. Quý khách cần kiểm tra lại số hiệu tàu ngày tháng số tàu ghi trên vé và xuất trình được.
Riding a train in Vietnam. These are 6-seaters, so they house 6 people. Because the one I'm in is a 4-seater. Still in Saigon. One thing I will say is you gotta watch your head if you're tall. Okay, so I'll take the top off here. So if you want to get up to the top, let's give it a try here. Yep. Yeah, so I don't know how long it's going to take. It says it's 200 miles away. So, we shall see. Jeffrey, what's your name? Nice to meet you.
How are you today? Hello, I'm Dr. Family.
And just in case you're wondering what the bathroom looks like on a ride like this,
Benoit.
oh, Binois.
For there. The train stuck right there. And jingle bell, jingle all the way. On one Friday, it's no ride, never gonna day. Wow!
Wow, look at all that dragon fruit.
But I like mango. I like mango.
I love mango.
Like mango and
Strawberry and apple.
I like strawberry, mango. I love that.
Man, we're like halfway there, and I've been on the train now for 5 hours. So this is really long haul. Still going, more than halfway there. Sunset. Thank you. Alright, so they hooked us up with some pretty good food here. This is the train food at sunset, dinner time. This was 35,000 dong. So that's about, I don't know, $3. Alright, so after 8 hours, we made it to Nha Trang. Check this out. So yeah, that's the train we rode in on. And it is headed to the next destination. You can see the lights, the high rises here at Nha Trang. So let the party begin. Alright, wow, what a city. Nha Trang. So this guy's gonna give me a ride to my hotel, which is about a mile away. Yeah, for 50 dong. Or 50,000 dong, I should say. Before I go in there, this is the lobby area. And I'm going to go into my room. Got some talkative neighbors. But yeah, so this is what you get. Slippers, a safe, hotel robe. view to watch your friends on the street. They do what they do. Across the street looks like a mall, dining area. It's a pretty nice view. This hotel is called Isena, I-S-E-N-A. Comes with a tub for those of you who like to do that, and a shower. Okay, aircon. And if you just want to post up and look out in this chair, look at that. You can. That way is towards the beach, and then they have a balcony right there. Cool. So I just wanted to show you this $34 a night hotel room here in Nha Trang.